good point. So with your email newsletters, you want to make sure that you're designing for a single vertical column. When you have multiple columns, like some people will put, 3 or 4 products all in a row side by side because it looks great on desktop, but then when you open it up on mobile, you've got this weird like wide scroll thing going on and it just doesn't look as good.
Yeah.
So making sure that you're designing for that vertical single column design, making sure that your text is very light and that you are not going too crazy with the graphics. So one thing that is kind of very old school that people do is their newsletter is a single image and they just put that image in the email and send it out. Well, if you're reading that on mobile, you're going to either see just the top left corner of it,
Yeah.
or it's going to show up as this itty bitty teeny tiny image and you're like, what the hell is this?
Yeah.
Making sure that you are doing text-oriented emails, but also being very light on the text because people don't want to open up an email and just see a wall of text.
True.
Some email clients like Outlook, they really lend themselves to plain text email. But for the most part, anyone who's using Gmail, Hotmail, kind of like those traditional, I don't want to say traditional, mainstream email clients, those ones you can insert colors, images, more eye-catching elements to your email newsletters. So for example, if you are selling products, make sure you include a product picture as your header image. Have a call out, what I call a call out. It's basically like a header right below that image. That is, what are they going to get out of reading this email? What do they care about? They may not care about your blogs. They may only start to care about them once they see, oh, this is the blog title and I actually want to click and read into this. But is there any benefit to them to opening and reading that email, like 50% off, or we have a new product, or we're bringing you new features, anything like that? What is the benefit to them? Again, it shouldn't be something where you go, okay, what do we want to tell people about? It should really be, what do people actually want from us? Do they want a discount? Do they want a new product? Did we solve a new pain point? Are we offering faster shipping? What's the benefit to them?